Alright guys, so this is my hair from iShow here, and I just want to show you guys how I got it. I was very impressed by the packaging. Excuse me. I mean the boxes are, everybody have these boxes, but I like that their boxes pink because pink is one of my favorite colors. So I do have a closure, not a frontal, and this is what the bundles look like. I love how these bundles come packaged. I am saving those white rope yarn thingies for when I get my faux wax done again. I'm saving them, and I have all 16 inches. I have 16 inches in everything, including the closure. So this is what the hair looks like out of the pack. It's extremely silky, and it's their Malaysian straight, and it's 16 inches for everything. So here we go. Alright guys, so I just put the hair back in this package. So I made the wig, and I'm showing you how much hair I have left. I have a good amount left, and I think I'll be adding it, I'm not sure. So I have this amount left, a good amount, and I folded it. So unfolded is like that amount of hair left, right? So this hair comes with a closure, as you guys saw, all 16 inches. I really want to cut this into a, not a bang, but I want to cut it into a bob. Me, not a professional, me. So as I say, I just have on my brown stocking cap, and I'm just going to fit this on my head. No, let me turn off the fan. Okay, so this is their Malaysian straight. It did come with the where's the closure? Okay, it did come with the closure tweezed, but I'm not really a fan of how it's tweezed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to straighten it. And this is my Vanity Planet flat iron. I have a 70% off code, but for the love of me, I cannot find the code. But I do have a code. I got to dig my emails to find the code. So this is a Malaysian straight, all 16 inches. It is so light. It is hella light. Wow, I am beginning to sweat under this light. This flat iron. Alright, so I turned the fan back on. My apologies if it's kind of bothering you, but this is what we have so far. Simple wig. 16 inches, it stops there. And it's a simple wig, I believe, for like every day. This can be like your work wig. Let me show you guys what the top looks like. The top needs to be a bit more defined. I need to tweeze the top of this thing. I need to get a semi-decent part going. But yeah, so 16 inches from iShow Hair. This is my first time working with them, and the hair is silky smooth out of the pack. Now I did notice like some different color hairs in there, and I haven't seen those in a while with hairs. So yeah, one thing I'm going to say though is that this is extremely silky. This is really silky, and I don't know if this is the natural color of the hair. It looks as if it was colored. If this is the natural color of the hair, then ooh, that girl with this head of hair was blessed, because it looks like black, like hella black on camera. So as I said, I'll be cutting this into a bob, but not for this video. I just want to show you guys what the hair looks like, how it moves, how it flows. Yeah, the luster of the hair is really shiny. And I'm getting the feeling that my closure is just looking really unnatural. So my apologies. I mean, coming this far with frontals, I mean, it's like I'm learning how to get frontals. Like when I get a closure, I'm like, so I do what? What do I do with it? You know, but yeah, it's fine. I love it. I love the straightness, but I want to cut it into a bob. So I say it's all 16 inch, but this one is shorter because it's high up on my head. It looks like this, and I want to cut the bob like an asymmetrical bob, like this. I don't know if I can do it, but that's what I want to do. But this is it, you guys. This is it for the video. I will be doing another video where I'm actually cutting this hair. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But yeah, this is it for this video again from iShow Hair. All the information on this hair will be in the description bar below. I did get them in bundles, as you guys saw, 3 bundles under closure. I left like more than half of a bundle in here, so this is like 2 1/4 bundles with a closure. It's really light on my head. The only thing I feel on my head is the wig cap. It's extremely light. And yeah. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I'm sorry if this video seemed a little bit short, but I want to start doing focused hair videos on my channel. Let me know if it's something that you would like or if you don't like. If not, then I'll just combine them with makeup tutorials. The thing is, alright, and this is something that I've said on my vlog channel before, and I think I said it on some Instagram live or something. I feel like I'm always posting makeup videos. I love doing it. Isn't me? I've been buying makeup so that I can post more makeup videos, so I can do monthly favorites. You know what I mean? But the truth is, like, any makeup person would know is all I have, because I've given away so much. I'm like foundation, brushes, palettes. I've given away so much. Even from my own personal kit, I have just been giving away. You see me? Because the truth is, I feel like I am stepping back from makeup from a professional standpoint, and I'm just going to be teaching. Excuse me, you know? Sorry. Especially feeling how I feel now, like sick for so long. I just don't want to be in anybody's face. I have been turning down gigs. Anyway, that's not the point. I'm going on a tangent. The point is, I want to do these hair videos. You see me? Something apart from the company sending me stuff, I can do like what I do now, and then I could have added the other how I cut the wig hair video or whatever. But I wanted it to be focused. You see me? So I'm saying all this to ask you guys: is this something that you would want? Do you want these focused type videos, or do you want me to combine them with makeup videos? And it's so, I mean, the last time I tried to combine a hair video with a makeup video, I ended up doing the same exact makeup look I did, I think, a year ago or a year and a half ago, using my Juvia's Place palette, and the Saharan palette. And I was just like, I don't know if I can do this, you know? Just help me out, guys, please. Just help me out. Let me know if this is something that you want. Again, I'm sorry for taking the channel from iShow Hair. Again, iShow Hair, you the plug. I like your hair, okay? I like your hair. Okay, cool. It's nice. Okay, cool. Just let me know what you guys think, you guys. You want me to do more focus videos, or you want me to combine them with hair videos? Let me know, because I have 3 more wigs that I have to make. So if I know what you want from now, I can know where to go from here. See?